Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn about variables in Kotlin programming language. So first of all, let's answer this question. What is a variable? A variable is just a placeholder for data, so that later when we want to access that data, we just need to refer to the name of that placeholder, right? So let's open our IntelliJ IDEA, let's create a new project, and then let's see how we can create a variable in Kotlin programming language. Since you already know how to create a Kotlin project, I didn't want to show you again the instructions in order to create a new Kotlin project. So I have already created a new Kotlin project, variables in Kotlin. So I just need to open this folder here, and I just need to right click on this file. If you want to create a file, right click on this one, and then new, and then click on Kotlin file/class. In the next tutorials of this course, we are not going to I am not going to actually show you again how to create a Kotlin file, so because you already know how to do that. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you that. So just click on Kotlin file, and here let's specify the name. Here we can say my class, okay, or my file, and then click on OK. So now that the file is created, let me double click on this tab in order to make this area wider. Again, we need a starting point. So just type in here main, and then press an enter key on your keyboard. So now this main function is created. So take a look at this argument here. I'll talk more about arrays later. For now, just don't worry about this argument. Just create the starting point. And now let's go inside this method and let's first learn about variables in Kotlin. So how to create a variable. First, in order to create a variable in Kotlin, you just need to type in here var, the var keyword. You must put the var keyword here first. And now we need to give a name to our variable. Remember, I told you that a variable is a placeholder for data. So whenever we want to access that data, we just need to refer to the name of that placeholder. So we must give a name to this variable. So the name is going to be, for example, my placeholder, right? My placeholder. Assignment operator. So I want to actually hold a string value. So just put two quotes here and just type in here my value, right? So this is my variable. The name is my placeholder. So this is take a look at this operator here. This is not an equal operator. This is an assignment operator. So what does this mean? This means that here we are assigning whatever values at the right hand side of this operator to the left hand side of this operator. So here we are assigning my value, which is the string value, to the left hand side of this operator, which is my placeholder variable, right? So now I want to print this value to the console. I want to access the value of this variable. So in order to do that, I just need to directly refer to the name of this placeholder. So just type in here print, and now I can just easily refer to the name of this variable, my placeholder. Let's run the application and choose my file, KT, Kotlin. So let's wait a little bit here, and now it says my value. Take a look at this value in the console, my value. So here I just refer to the name of this variable, and I could access the value of this variable. If I want to, I can create another variable. So let's create a variable, and this time I can say my number. Assignment operator, let's assign an integer value to this variable, for example number 20, right? And if I want to output this value to the console, I just need to type in here print my number. Let's run the application, click on run, and now it says my value 20. So that's it. Now it's your turn. Make sure to create a new project and make sure to create your variables and output these values to the console. If you want to, you can share your results with other students by just posting a discussion in the course, and you can create a screenshot of your codes, of your Kotlin codes, and post it to the course discussion. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.